Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of BAKUGAN Battle Planet BAKUGAN Battle Brawlers Booster Pack 10 card pack by Spinmaster. So last where we left off is trying to get the cards out of the pack. So here we go. Let's see what the cards are. And there we go. Ice Barrier costs 2. Energy is an action plus 400B. Black Pirates, 0 action. Flip has a little hand, I guess it stops Pirates types. Ice Edron, cost free action plus 8 fists if you have one open BAKUGAN. The list is for Aquas types. Brought Ventus, so this one brought Ventus cost 0. Cost free Icicle. Aquas plus 6 punch. Then you have Hot Chaos, cost 0. Flip stops Chaos. Hero's Demise. Now I don't know if you can see this too good, but it is a little embossed right there, so there is a bit of texture that you can feel right there on the word Hero Demise on the little lightning symbol and the 4. On the little darkness and the word action and down there. But other than that, what says destroy hero, that is just plain old flat text. But the ones that weighs a little bit are the ones I just told you. Then we have I, cost 6. Hero, he's using what I believe it's like Aventus. Yeah, Turbo. If you have the most energy cards in play, yours attack has plus 4 fists. And he's also got that little waves and boss going across his card. Maybe you can see it a little bit better here now on Hero's Demise a little bit. But that's also what he has. Again, it's on his name, on the energy, on the sets, on the little circle there, and the word hero, and that little circle down there. All the other text, just plain old flat text. And then we have Hyperdrive Free. Now I don't know why this one is done kind of like in a copperish color, which is kind of weird. But it's like a metallic copperish color, and as you can see, it's on the text there for the name of the card and stuff. There, there, and there, and down there, just like how we had with I and Hero's Demise. Except this one is not really weighs that much. These ones are a little bit more weighs, but you still could feel that it's been put on there. And then we have a hollow foil version of Cycling Thoughts. Energy free action. Draw 2 cards, then return this card to the bottom of your deck. So I guess that might be okay. Well, you get to draw 2 cards and then return to the bottom of the deck, and that is also a Aquas. Unless they changed the names now, but I know some names got changed, like Ventus got changed to something else, and now they got a new Diamond faction. But yeah, that has been the unboxing of BAKUGAN Battle Planet Spinmasters Battle Brawlers 10 card booster pack. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that little notification bell, the like button, and leave a comment down below. And of course, all links down below in the description. Alright, thanks, bye.